Hello everyone, my name is Ivan and today I would like to tell you a few words about numbers in the English language. So what exactly I'm going to speak about today? I will start with simple digits like 0, 1, 2, 3, then we'll show some basic mathematic operations like multiplication, supplementation, multiplication, and so on. And we will make some exercise just to remember these ones. So if this seems too easy for you, as always, you may try to do shadowing, yeah? So just sit, relax, and try to repeat everything you hear without thinking about what you are listening to. Okay, then we will slightly go to two-digit numbers from 10 to 29 and from 30 to 99 to show the logic in a more structured way. And here I will have also to explain ordinal numbers, yeah, when we show not the quantity, yeah, not how much, like 1 apple, 2 girls, 3 houses, but the order, yeah, which place does this object have, the first place, second prize, the third house, yeah. Okay, and then we will finish everything with exercise on then, and just some hundreds, thousands, big numbers, and a whole comprehensive exercise, which is all about everything here is just to do the last exercise, just to be able to read big numbers, especially if you are beginning, you don't need anything else from numbers. Okay, so let's get started. Simple digits. I've worked a lot with transcription today, so even if you don't understand it, try to look at the transcription. It would help you a lot understanding, because in numbers the first thing is phonetics, because you pronounce the same words hundreds of times and you need to do that correctly, or more or less correctly. Okay, so repeat after me please. 0, yeah, you see this strange sound, it's like ear. 0, 0. Okay, and it has many variants in English. Actually, we can say null. Also, there is such variant as nil and o. So once again, the 4 of them: 0, null, nil, o. Okay, and the numbers. 1. Repeat after me, please. 1, 2. Yeah, or follow this sound t as well. It is not like t, Russian, yeah, but t. Okay, usually don't try to do this, but this time try to say the word taburetka in Russian, and then try to say it with English accent. Taburetka. T. Yeah, your tongue is a little bit above, or is close to your teeth. No, it's above your teeth. T, tom, tu, ta. Okay, let's try with the vowels. Ta, ti, tu, te, to. Ta, ti, tu, te, to. So, 2. 3. Pay attention to this sound, which is pronounced between your teeth. So you put your tongue between your teeth, your mouth is relaxed, and you pronounce just like you pronounce letter s, but with the relaxed tongue between your teeth. 3. Okay. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Okay, so I'm gonna read them all again. Let's read them all 3 times, okay? First is slowly, then a little bit faster, and then in a usual pace. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I forgot about 0. Yeah, 0. Okay, and let's start with null now. Null 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it's just to train your mouth a bit more. It's a great exercise to repeating the numbers. So what are the basic mathematic operations we have? They're simple. It's like addition, or you can say plus here. 4 plus 1 equals 5, or 4 and 1 is 5. Pay attention, you connect 4, it ends on silent R, but in American English you pronounce this R. So anyway, it will be 4 and 1. 4 and 1 is 5. It's like pronounce rand. 4 and 1 is 5. Okay, so then we have subtraction. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Or 4 subtract 1 is 3. Minus or subtract. Okay, multiplication. 5 times 5 equals 5. Or 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. And division. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Or 2 goes into 8 4 times. Like, I like the division especially. It makes us actually understand what's going on with division. Okay, so let's make a few exercises. I would read and would give you time to repeat and say the number yourself, and then I read once again, so you repeat after me like my variants, because there are many variants we've seen. Yeah, okay, so 2 multiplied by 2, or 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, I hope. 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, 3 goes into 9. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 equals minus 3. 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 one time. 5 one time is 5. 4 goes into 8. 4 goes into 8 2 times. And 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. So let's repeat it once again. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 8 minus 3 is 5. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 one time is 5. 4 goes into 8 2 times. 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, well done. Now we can move further to 2-digit numbers. So we're going to read them again. Just pay attention how... Okay, the first 3. 10, 11, 12. Yeah, please try to pronounce 11, because many students pronounce 11. It is also alright, but the more beautiful way is to say 11. Okay, and 12. Also pay attention that in the end we have sound V, and in the beginning W. Yeah, so they're different sounds. 12. Then how do we form numbers from 13 to 19? We just add to the number suffix teen, and actually from this word goes another word, another term, teenager. A teenager is a person from the age of 13 to 19, because in these numbers we have teen, the teen suffix. And the exceptions are 13, not 13, 13, 15, not 5 but 5, and 18, it's the spelling irregularity, you just don't write letter T 2 times, just 1 time. Okay, so let's read them. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, and although somewhere you can see here double stress like 14, yeah, not 14, 14, it is anyway better to emphasize the last suffix, the suffix more. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, and then goes 20. So, and you just add the next number: 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Nothing special, just remember this form 20. So let's read them all together once again. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, train more and more. If you think you have some difficulties, or send me your voices, like I will try to say what to make emphasis on. Then we use the same sound suffix t, sorry, just add it to the number. The exceptions are again 30, 40 is a spelling exception, you don't write letter U, 40, 50, oh, again not 50, 50, then everything is fine. 60, 70, 80, spelling exception because we don't write T 2 times, and 90. And then and to all of them you just add the number: 97, 98, 99, 37, 42. No surprises. So let's read them all together once again. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 97, 98, 99. And pay attention that the stress here is on the first syllable, yeah, not like 13, yeah, 30, not 14, but 40, 15, 50, 16, 60, 17, 70, 18, 80, 19, 90, and so on. Okay, now about the ordinal numbers. I have already told these are the numbers which show the place of the object, where it is situated, yeah, the first place, the second half, the third house, and we also use them for fractions like 5/6, yeah, so you add the ordinal number and then add s, and also for decimals in mathematics, 9 and 5/10, but usually we just say 9.5, yeah. Okay, so but it is not the main reason. The main use of ordinal numbers is of course showing the place in a row of other objects. Okay, like general rule is that you add th in the end of a number, and usually you use the number with the definite article there. like the 4th, the 6th, the 7th. And the exceptions information here are the 1st, yeah, not the 1th, the 1st, the 2nd, number 2, the 3rd, number 3, the 5th, number 5, the 8th, number 8, like today. Here we again don't write double T. The 9th, we don't write letter E in the end, so it becomes the 9th, although variant 9th with E also exists. It's used also in music and so on. Okay, and if letters, numbers like 20, 30 and 40 which end with Y, we change Y for IETH. So the 20th, which WTWENTIETH, that 20th. Okay, let's read them together again. The 1st, the 2nd, the 3rd, the 5th, the 8th, the 9th, the 20th. So yeah, also pay attention that definite article there in front of vowels is read as the. So when you have article indefinite a, you have the, and where you have n with starting with the vowel, yeah, you use the apple, the 8th. Okay, going further, let's do a few exercises here. 22 divided into 7 is, well, you can say it is 3 and 1/7, yeah, but I'm sure there is some more difficult answer. Okay, 8 multiplied by 6 is 8, 16, 24, and 24 plus 24 is 48, so it's 48. Okay, 12 plus 49 is 49, 59, 60, 61. Yeah, I'm counting hard. 88 minus 69 is 18 and 1. 19. Okay. 27 minus 17 is 10 as far as I'm concerned. 63 divided by 3 is 21. 29 divided into 8 divided into 29. 8 goes into 29. 1, 2, 3, 3 times for sure, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 4 eighths. It's and a half. And a half. No, that can't be true. And 5 eighths. Yeah, 5 eighths. Okay, 57 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 57, yeah? Okay, so let's read that with the answers that I see. So 7 goes into 22, 3 and 1/7 times, or 3 and 1, 3.14, 28, 57, 14. The number is too difficult. Like, even if you want to say correctly, there is no use. Like, but if you can't tell them correctly, I think you will get the logic. Okay, 8 multiplied by 6 is 48. 12 plus 49 is 61. 88 minus 69 is 19. 27 minus 17 is 10. 3 goes into 63 21 times. Yeah, not 21 times. 8 goes into 29 3 and 5 eighths times, or 3 point. Okay, here we could do that. 625 thousandths, but later about thousands. And 57 multiplied by -1 is -57. Very well done. Me. Let's go further. We have big now. We're starting to have like larger numbers, like hundreds. So all starts with 100 or 100, and many students say 100 for some reason, but no, 100. And after, if we have a number, we never say hundreds. Never. 200, 300. And after these hundreds, you use and. 420, 568. So I hope the logic is clear. Let's read together. 100, 100, 200, 300, 420, 568. Okay. And then this story is not very different with thousands. You say 1,000 or 1,000. And if you use other numbers, you don't say thousands and don't say hundreds. Yeah, 2,000, 3,000. And also you don't use and after thousands. After 100 you use and, after thousands you don't. 6,900. But still we use and after hundreds all the time, yeah? 9,842. Let's read the numbers here again. 1,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 6,900, 9,842. Okay. The following big numbers are 10,000, 100,000 or 100,000. So after each 100 you use and still, like 539,580. After 100,000 we have a million or 1 million. Then, without any surprises, 2 million, 3 million, no millions, yeah? 4 million, 5 million, 6 million, 7 million, 8 million, 9 million, 10 million, 11 million, 12 million, 13 million, 14 million, 15 million, 16 million, 17 million, 18 million, 19 million, 20 million. And after every 100 you use and after that. And yeah, you can divide the number into 3 parts, so it would be clearer for you how to read them. For example, the first 3 numbers go like, if we have 9 digits, yeah, we divide them into 3 and it goes 3 groups. So it means hundreds, thousands and millions. So the first 3 are million, this, then 1,000, and then without anything because it's just 100. Like here, 4,423,940,148. So after every 100 you also add and after hundreds, millions go billions. A billion or 1 billion. Okay, let's read together the numbers one more time. 10,000, 100,000 or 100,000. 539,580. A million, 1 million, 20 million, 423,940,148. A billion, 1 billion. Okay, so, and we have come to the final exercise. after that, if you like made some notes, listened correctly, or maybe the second time, I think this exercise shouldn't be a big problem for you. Let's try that together. So number one, try to say it yourself, and I will give you a variant in 10 seconds. So we have here 3 groups here, because it's no 4 groups, because 4 and 3, yeah, 12 digits. Okay, so 4, it means there goes hundreds, thousands, millions, and billions. So we have billions here, and you divide every 100 for billion, million, thousand, sorry, and nothing else. So 427 billion 102 million 470,000 224. Let's try again. 427 billion 102 million 470,000 224. And the last time, let's say it in a normal pace. 427 billion 102 million 470,000 222. Okay, next 3 groups here, so hundreds, thousands, millions. So we have million in the beginning. 481 million 272,410. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 3 categories here. 7 numbers goes into 3. A car, hundreds, thousands, millions. So we have here 2,914,042 without and, because after 1,000 we don't use and, only after hundreds. Okay, let's repeat again. 2,914,042. 2,914,042. 84,148,185. 48,148,185. Again, we have here 4 groups. It is millions. Yeah, 94 billion 282 million for 141,128. 94 billion 282 million 141,128. And the last time, 94 billion 282 million 141,128. Okay, this is the simple one. 429. 429. 429. You may try different intonations. Okay. 104 million, correct. 284,121. 104 million 282,121. 104 million 284,121. Okay, and the last, 410 million 128,148. 410 million 128,148. Okay, very well done, very well done. The last thing that we do now is we're repeating all of them, okay? One more time. So you have no questions after that about the numbers, and like read, you have them in the text, and it is not a problem for you to read them. Yeah, this is why we should read numbers first, because they're like different characters which you don't know if you don't know them. Okay, so 427,102,470,224. Okay. 481,272,410. Good. 2,914,082. Okay. 48,148,185. Okay. 94,282,141,128. Okay, I think it is a difficult one, so I will repeat it again, okay? 94,282,141,128. 429. 104,284,121. And 410,128,148. Okay, that was all for today. Thank you a lot for your attention. Be careful with numbers, learn them carefully, and yeah, contact me somehow if you have any questions, if I may help you with anything. Have a nice day, everyone, and yeah, good luck with learning the languages.